Okay, now you restart your recording.
Yeah. Good afternoon, Abhishek. Thank you so much for accepting my interview request. How are you?
I'm good, and you?
I'm doing okay. Thank you so much. It's a great honor for me to get to know you here by LinkedIn. And also, you have a page now as a colleague. I'm really so honored. Thank you one more time for being here. And before we start, let me introduce myself to you shortly. My name is Serpil Soykan. I have been working as executive assistant for more than 15 years, and I'm at textile sector at the moment. And I love my job a lot. This is why we're having this project to increase the consciousness of this executive assistant job profile. And before we start, I wish you to introduce yourself to me, who you are, what you are doing, where are you working?
Yeah, actually, myself is Abhishek. I belong from India, from Delhi country, Delhi city, and here I'm working in the EA to MD profile, like executive assistant. I will assist to our the company managing director, and my company name is the Modern Prefab System Limited. This company is the manufacturing industry and it manufacture the steel, stainless steel, and after manufacturing, we are installation the prefabrication building. uh, we have the more project, and I here I'm handle the related to our company query, related to our managing director query. And I love my job, and I have the very good experience, and I like to the executive assistant work.
Mhm. Great, great. Thank you so much. And let's start then. I don't want to take your time longer. It's your Sunday, but really appreciate you take time for this for our project, which I call as our project because, as I tell to all our executive assistants friends, as long as we give hand by hand, we can increase the consciousness, the negative consciousness block the negative consciousness of this job profile on this job profile. Okay, my first question is, of course we have the same title, we do the same work, but of course what we are doing in a day is completely different. Would you please share with us here what you are doing in a day? You get into the office and then how the day begins for you.
Yeah, actually, our profile is a very different profile, and we are handle the multiple tasks. When we are join the office in the morning time, we are first of all start our schedule, like check our calendar, check our meetings, check our official work. Like first of all, we are scheduled to check the meetings related to department wise meetings, like HR department, administration, because in our industry we are handle the multiple tasks and multiple works in the full days. We are
Mhm.
not able to say the any person ki we are not handle this task. We are always ready handle the all tasks.
Exactly.
So just I will see my profile in the shortcut. Our profile, the multitasking profile.
Mhm. Exactly, I agree with you. We need to take care of everything at the same time. And the second question is, what are the key elements of the success of an executive assistant? What capabilities an executive assistant must have to go in this profession?
Yeah, actually, our key skill is the most important in our career and in our profile, because we are not face only a manager. We are facing the more clients. We are facing the marketing related, like domestic and international. So most important in our profile is our key skill, like our communication skill. Like first
Mhm.
impression is the last impression. When we are
Exactly.
represent our first introduction to the first time, so most important we are how we are used to our communication skill, how we are communicate to our myself, my company, and my company introduction to the other person. So most important in our profile, in our career, so the key skills.
Mhm. Right. Thank you so much. And the last question is there any suggestion you can give to future assistants, also the ones in universities and also to us? Of course, we have experience maybe more than 20 years, no matter how long we are in this profession. We need each other. We need to see our experience to go successfully. So is there a suggestion you can give through us? It can be seminar, training, or any other thing that you are applying at your profession.
Yeah, actually, I'm not suggest, but I'm say to the all EA related person like EAP and secretary related person is always ready to learn the new task, learn the new profile work, and always ready and always improving ourself. Like discuss to the always discuss to our senior position person like our general manager, vice president to the company, and we are always ready to handle the all tasks. We are not able to say we are not handle this task, sir. So I will suggest to the any EA related person, you he's always myself, I'm always ready to handle the all tasks. I'm not say that any person is it not possible, I'm not doing this task. I'm always ready, always learning, because this time is our learning time. Full career we are learning new profiles. We are facing the new problems, new tasks, new profiles. So I
Yeah.
will suggest not important is the training, because we are not join the trainings. We are always give the training to the other person.
Exactly. You make a good remark, believe me, because yesterday we had a seminar with a high school who will be the future assistants, and we also
Okay.
indicate the importance of learning, open to learn new tasks, open to learn new, let's say, information, and be the information bank for themselves at first, and also the ones who are seeking for opportunities to learn new things. So you really made a good remark here. Thank you so much.
Right. Thank you.
And
Thank you so much.
thank you, Abhishek. This is my questions, and we are done. But it's going to add value to this project, and I am sure that the ones who are listening to this interview are going to learn new things from this interview, because each information is precious and also contributing their improvement on this profession and also in their personal improvement. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you.
And
Have a good day.
please take care and stay healthy, okay?
Okay. Same to you.
Bye bye.
Thank you.